Hi, I'm Dee from Dee Lovely Life, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be joining my dear friend Sunday from The Helpful Home. She is hostessing a collab called the Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Together, the participants and I, the Tiny Tidy team, will be sharing our Tiny Tidies today. So make sure you check out the playlist. I'm going to link it down in the description box. I'm finishing up with my laundry here, which I like to call my office. But since I'm also a family caregiver to my mom, I have an area in my house. I really don't share too much, but it definitely needs a Tiny Tidy today. So let's start.
In this area, I keep all of my mom's blankets, bed linens, exercise accessories, games, and her scarves. It got out of hand recently. As her caregiver, I need it to be functional and quickly accessed.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass.
I am hostessing the Declutter and Organize March Madness collab this Friday, March 18th at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is an open collab for anyone to join. I cannot wait to see everyone's video on this Friday's playlist, so don't miss out.
No, no.
This is our hall closet, and it's going to be one of my several upcoming declutter projects. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the streets.
As you can see, we've been just tossing things on top that don't belong here. Too much stuff accumulated now, and I really need to take this moment to get it back to order. I keep this storage area open so others can visually see what is there for taking care of my mom.
All I know is this is where my heart is. I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh.
We bought this for my mom, and it's the best little shoulder and neck massager. It's lightweight, runs on batteries, has 2 settings, and a zipper pouch to heat up this bag to add heat, which she absolutely loves. This is not sponsored or anything. I just want to share this. I'll try to link it down below if I can find it. She is notorious for having so many scarves. Believe it or not, I already donated some, but they make her happy. These items here need to be relocated, and that hat needs to go. Donated, I mean. And ta-da! All is now tidied and organized once again.
And we're done. Okay, now I'm back into my laundry room because, let's face it, it's just never ending, you know what I mean? So I gotta get back to my laundry. Hey, thanks so much for joining me. Remember to check out everybody else in the playlist for their tiny tidies today of Tuesday. Thanks a lot, Sunday. See you later. Bye.